The first thing I order when I go to an Indian restaurant would have to be samosas. They're a fantastic appetizer, delicious as is, but I'm going to transform my samosas into a beautiful filling for a wrap. This is a fantastic vegetarian number. Now first, let's grab our samosas. Now if you don't know what a samosa is, it's a pastry that's filled with lots of spices and boiled potato. In fact, these are 100% vegan too. So I've preheated my oven to 175 degrees. I'll grab some Glad Bake and we'll just pop that onto a tray and we'll add our samosas. I'm going to heat them all up. And don't forget, these are fantastic to have in the freezer when you want a very quick meal. These frozen samosas also come with the sauces, so I'm going to use them in my wrap. Pop them to the side and then these can go into the oven. All right, while they're baking in the oven, let's put together a very simple salad. So into a bowl, I'll add some vinegar. This is going to be the base of a dressing, some garam masala, which is a lovely mixed Indian spice, and a pinch of salt. And the main reason I'm adding this is just to break down the cabbage that I'm adding to this. So a good handful of shredded cabbage. I'll also add some cucumber. You can add whatever you like to this crunchy salad. Thin rounds of Lebanese cucumber. Pop that in, along with some onion, big handful of onion. I like lots of onion with this. And I've got parsley. You could also use coriander. And just run your knife through it a few times. Okay. And lastly, some tomatoes. I've got these beautiful rainbow tomatoes, so we'll just cut them in half. You could also just slice them so we've got different shapes in there, making it look quite rustic. So after I've sliced all these tomatoes, I'm just going to give this a quick toss, and then we just have to be patient and wait for our samosas to finish baking. The samosas have come out of the oven. I've allowed them to cool slightly. Salad's almost ready. We just need to toss everything through that vinegar and just evenly distribute the vinegar so it does coat everything there. And look at these beautiful colours, so appetising. It smells fantastic. And a little bit of that salt also is going to break down that cabbage so it's super tender. Okay, that salad is looking good. And I've also been warming up some roti. Now, these roti only take 30 seconds on each side. Another fantastic product to have in your freezer when you want a quick bread on the side or as a simple wrap, which is what I'm going to be using it as. So remember how I said the samosas come with the sauces? So here they are. This is a mint and coriander chutney, and we've also got a mango chutney. So I'm just going to cut the sides off that, and we can start making our small wrap. So a drizzle of the mango chutney and the mint and coriander chutney, the two of them together are just superb. I also love the creaminess of some yogurt. So if you want to make this 100% vegan, just leave the yogurt out or use some coconut yogurt, a dollop of that mixed in with those two sauces. And because these samosas are quite large for this wrap, what I like to do is chop it up. It is used as a filling after all. So it just shows how versatile samosas can be. And have a look at the inside there. All of that lovely potato, delicious. So we're just going to pop them on top, that last little bit there. And our salad. And then we'll just fold it over, squish everything together. And that is so yummy with those three sauces in there, the samosas. I'm gonna have a taste. Yum. That is super delicious. It kind of reminds me of a taco, and it is packed full of flavour from the spiced potato in the samosa to those lovely chutneys. Everything goes so well together. Yum. I'm definitely going to have another one of these.